So today, you'll learn how to add a black screen to a video in CapCut PC or Mac. So the first step is to launch CapCut and then click on Create Project and then wait for it to launch. Once it's launched, you can now start editing. So before we get there, you first have to add the video. So click on Import and then it will open the File Explorer. What you want to do is simply look for your video and add it to your timeline. So once you've added the video, you just drag it and then it'll be added onto the timeline. Alternatively, you can always just click on this plus icon and it will still be added to the timeline. So from here, you can see the video has been selected. Once it's been selected, you want to add a split so that you can be able to add the black screen. To do that, you want to move this timeline icon. So you want to move it until the position where you want to add the split. So for me, it'll be around here, halfway through the video. And then once you're ready to do the split, you want to just either use the keyboard shortcut, if you know that shortcut, or use this tools section and click on split. Once you've done that, you should see the two videos have been split. You'll also notice that the two videos have been combined automatically, which means that whenever you try to separate them without creating an overlay, they automatically click back together. So to avoid this, you want to disable the auto magnet tool on CapCut. So to do that, you want to just move this to where the split occurred. Then you want to come to this tools on the right side and you want to click on turn off main track magnet. Again, you can choose to use the keyboard shortcut if you know it. So when you click on it, you'll notice now that when you try to separate the two clips, that it's no longer snapping into place, which means that you've successfully done it. So now you can see whenever there's a black screen in between the two clips. So now whenever you play the video like this, you'll notice the black screen appearing and then it will go on to the next video. You can choose to shorten that black screen. So just move this clip a bit closer like that. And then you can go back, play the video, and you should see the black screen goes on for a shorter duration. So it's completely up to you to decide how big you want the black screen to be. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.